Do you know that millions of people are walking around with hidden invaders inside their bodies right now? Without even realizing it, these invaders are called parasites, and they may be stealing your nutrients, draining your energy, and messing with your gut health every single day. But here's the good news. Nature has given us powerful foods that can flush these parasites out in minutes. And today, I'm going to share with you the top parasite-killing foods, how to use them, and some shocking signs you may already have them inside your gut. Stick with me till the end, because food number 1 is a game changer you don't want to miss. Why gut parasites are a hidden danger. Before we jump into the foods, let's talk about why gut parasites are such a problem. Parasites are tiny organisms, worms, protozoa, and even microscopic bugs that live inside your digestive system. They survive by feeding off your nutrients. That's why you may feel tired, bloated, have unexplained stomach pains, or even constant sugar cravings. Here are some shocking symptoms of parasites you should watch out for. Constant bloating and gas, sudden weight loss or weight gain, feeling tired even after sleeping, itchy skin or rashes, teeth grinding at night. If you've experienced any of these, your gut may be under attack. The parasite-flushing foods. 1. Garlic. Nature's parasite killer, garlic is like kryptonite for parasites. It contains allicin, a compound that literally paralyzes and kills worms and harmful microbes in your gut. Adding raw garlic to your meals or swallowing a clove with water on an empty stomach can help flush them out naturally. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far and want more natural health hacks like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's move on to the next powerful food. Pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with a compound called cucurbitacin, which paralyzes parasites and helps push them out of your intestines. A handful of raw pumpkin seeds daily can do wonders. Papaya seeds. Papaya seeds may taste bitter, but they are incredibly powerful against intestinal worms. Studies show they can cleanse parasites effectively. Just crush them and add to smoothies or honey. Pineapple? Pineapple isn't just sweet. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down parasites and their eggs. Eating fresh pineapple slices can work like a gut detox. Cloves. Cloves are not just for flavor. They contain eugenol, a natural parasite fighter that kills eggs and prevents reinfection. Add clove tea to your routine for a powerful cleanse. 6. Ginger and turmeric. These 2 golden spices reduce inflammation and create an environment in your gut where parasites can't survive. Use them in teas, curries, or warm drinks. Coconut oil and raw coconut contain medium-chain fatty acids that literally dissolve parasite membranes. Just 1 spoon of virgin coconut oil daily can help cleanse your gut. 8. Beets and carrots. Rich in fiber and natural detoxifying compounds, beets and carrots act like brooms for your intestines, flushing out waste and parasites effectively. Now, here's how you can combine these foods for maximum effect. Start your morning with warm water, lemon, and a clove of raw garlic. Snack on pumpkin seeds or papaya seeds midday. Add ginger, turmeric, and clove tea in the afternoon. Enjoy pineapple or fresh beetroot juice in the evening. This simple routine can cleanse your gut naturally in just days. So now you know. Parasites may be tiny, but with the right foods, you can kick them out of your body and feel lighter, healthier, and more energetic. Which of these foods are you going to try first? Garlic, pumpkin seeds, or papaya seeds? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful natural health tips.
Healings begin where nature start.